Tennessee law could leave your child without medical care while in school.
The Families' Rights and Responsibilities Act went into effect last month, protecting parents' fundamental rights and responsibilities to make health care, moral, and religious decisions. Xavier Harris spoke with educators who have some concerns, right, Xavier?
Hey, David, that's right. Well, consent forms like this one is what parents will have to fill out in order for their child to be treated for minor injuries at school. Now, while lawmakers are pleased with this new bill, educators are saying it's causing a lot of confusion.
We're kind of behind the eight ball right here, trying to figure out how to implement a law that many people are still struggling to understand.
According to the new law, if there is an emergency to your child at school, a school nurse or personnel can intervene. But for things like minor injuries, cuts, or bruises, a school nurse has to first contact the child's parent.
So it's been a big rush on everybody's part to get everything done.
A rush that J.C. Bowman, Executive Director of Educators of Tennessee, says could cost school nurses their livelihood. The law says nurses could face suspension, revocation, or refuse to renew their licenses.
I think you're going to see teachers leave over this law. I think you're going to see a lot of people vacate positions down the road.
Bowman says he does believe parents should have a choice, but the verbiage in the law needs to be changed.
How do you define emergency? And that's a legal term. I mean, what is an emergency medical care? There's going to be some lawsuits probably filed, and we're pretty cognizant of that.
However, State Representative Kevin Raper, who represents the 24th District and also sponsored the bill, says the language in the bill is fine.
I'm content with how it's worded. Sometimes you can say too much, and then it opens yourself up for all kinds of litigation.
Either way, the bill is now a law and can't be changed until next general session. In the meantime, Bowman suggests no school personnel should walk onto a school's campus without legal protection.
That's why I tell teachers I would never step into a classroom without liability insurance. It used to be something like 1 in 10 teachers faced a lawsuit or a threat of being sued. I think you're going to see that number vastly increase over the next couple of years.
Right now, Bowman is urging parents to call their child's school to make sure all consent forms are signed so their child can be treated during any medical situation. Greg?